Alright, so now we got the seats out of the car. What we're going to do now is wash the carpet. I was going to just vacuum it out with the shop vac. It's not good. It's just dirty. It's just plain and simple. It's just dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and wash the carpet now. I know a lot of guys, what you need to do is first vacuum the car out. You can remove the seats. You can leave the seats in. I just took the seats out just to make it easier. Actually, the front here is clean. It's not bad. This is horrible. Right here is good, and then up here is horrible too. So these are going to give me my focus areas. I'm not going to wash these too much, but yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just probably vacuum out a little bit over here, trying to just vacuum with the shop vac to get a little bit more out of it. After that, come in, spray some cleaner out, let it soak on the floor, come back with actually a scrub brush. You just want to scrub the floor. That's all you're going to do. Scrub the floor until it's just scrubbed. Scrub it until you can't scrub anymore. So, alright, we'll go ahead and do that, knock it out. Oh yeah, and as far as cleaner, I'm using some of this stuff. You're probably not supposed to use this on the carpet, but I don't care if it messes it up. We'll just we'll pull the carpet out. That'll be an excuse to pull it out. But yeah, so what we did was basically just scrubbed it down and vacuumed it all up with the shop vac. Pretty simple job. Alright guys, well, camera died somewhere in there. Not too sure, but this is the finished product. Well, go ahead and, I mean, it looks pretty good. What I did was I just vacuumed up everything. Hopefully GoPro caught everything. I don't know when it stopped, so maybe not even be posting this depending on how long it recorded. Alright guys, well here's the carpet afterwards. Don't mind the hole in the floor that was there before. But yeah, I mean the carpet came out pretty clean. Especially like back here where it was all like behind the passenger seat where it was all like dirty and crap. So I don't know, looks a lot better in here now. I think it looks, I would say, a lot better. The floor's still a little damp, but I'm just going to throw the seats back in. And yeah, I guess the GoPro died, but we'll finish up right here. So yeah, it's finishing touches though. Doesn't look too bad. I don't really have too many complaints with it, but yeah. Alright guys, later.